In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can refund Discord Nitro. If you've recently purchased Discord Nitro and for some reason you're looking to get a refund, you've come to the right place. Let's break down the entire refund process so you can handle it smoothly and effectively. First things first, you'll need to log into your Discord account. It's vital to ensure that you're logged in on the correct account where the Nitro subscription was purchased. Now, let's discuss the conditions that apply to getting a refund for Discord Nitro subscriptions. Yes, they can indeed be refunded, but there are some specific conditions that need to be met. You can request a refund for a Nitro or Server Boost purchase within 5 days of the initial purchase. However, it's important to know that the refund request will likely only be accepted if no Nitro features have been used during this time. This means if you've already taken advantage of the perks that come with Nitro, you might not be eligible for a refund. To begin the refund process, you'll need to contact Discord support team. This can be done by submitting a formal request through their support channel. Make sure you're prepared with the necessary purchase details, such as your payment ID. This information is crucial as it helps the team to process your request efficiently. They might provide you with detailed instructions on how to proceed, so be sure to follow any directions from the support team carefully. Now, let's talk about some additional points you should keep in mind to better understand the process. Refunds usually take a few business days to be processed and credited back to your original payment method, so patience is key here. If you happen to purchase any profile cosmetics within 5 days of either a Nitro renewal or a new subscription, bear in mind that this might impact your eligibility for a Nitro subscription refund. Another thing to consider is reporting any unauthorized purchases or if someone else has made the purchase on your account. Be upfront with this information when contacting Discord support, as they can guide you on how to proceed in such cases. Once you've submitted your request, the Discord support team will typically communicate with you through email. Engaging with them and following up as needed is an important part of ensuring that the issue is resolved. Through regular contact with the team, you can achieve a successful resolution. By keeping these guidelines in mind and following the steps we've discussed, you should be able to navigate the Discord Nitro refund process with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in getting your Discord Nitro refunded if that's what you need.